Good morning, Saberers. Oh, it smells so good out here after that thunder, lightning, and rainstorm. Longest one, it had to last an hour and a half. And usually if you hear a clap of thunder maybe 2 times a year, that's a big stormy year for up here. So that was great. It's about quarter to 5. Almost 60 degrees. It's only supposed to get to like low 70s today. This weekend, this week's going to be in the 70s and a little upper 70s as we head out to Eastern Oregon this next week on a little vacation. And a Savored Thought for the day. This is perfect timing. Sometimes we should express our gratitude for the simple things, like the scent of rain, the taste of our food, and the sound of our loved one's voice. Joseph Wirthlin. Don't know him, but if you know something of his, feel free to post it. Yeah, what amazing thing. Just weather. There's so many things to be grateful for in this world. Sometimes we just get caught up in the crap. And it is the crap. I think the mindset of being grateful or just being here, like yesterday. I was doing the bloom report and walked by this beautiful lily. It's like I didn't even see that. I was kind of caught up in what's going on every day. So just trying to get the bloom report taped even. Good morning. There's other crazy people up this time of day. Kind of wild. Such a beautiful time of day, though. It's interesting after a thunderstorm or after a big rain like this, how different outside smells. And I think the thunder does some type of neutralizing air or neutralizing smells, because you can really smell the trees so much more. You can smell everything so much more. So it's a really good thing. I miss them. But on the news last week, in that other thunderstorm, boy, this huge bolt of lightning just came out and took out a tree on the news. It was like, wow, that is crazy. Love to hear your stories, or if you have certain weather that reminds you of being a kid or takes you someplace. It's amazing what brings memories back, and those times of just feeling thankful, and these things are gorgeous. Put them in the comments if you're new to this channel. We'd love to have you join morning walks every day. Either subscribe, like, follow, whatever social media you're on. We'd love to have you with us. Let's see where Frank is this morning. Come on, Frank. There he is. Did he move from yesterday? Seems like he was there yesterday. Put it in the comments. I don't remember. Welcome to a new segment with Simple and Savored, Kitchen Hack Busters. So I don't know how much you're on like Facebook or social media where you see these videos of this amazing way to do something, and I always just say that's a bunch of bull crap. I don't believe it works. So I think learning something new is something to savor. It's the inquiring mind and the learning mindset. So we're gonna just pick a few of these. If you have some, definitely include them below, or if you have the links to the videos, I'd love to take a look at them and see if they actually work. So the first one, and this, I love corn. Love corn on the cob, butter, salt, pepper, little Tony's seasoning on it. Fantastic. But I hate peeling these things, and I see them already dehusked in the store with some styrofoam and plastic wrap all around it. I just feel guilty buying those because it's just all going to go in the landfill. But I hate doing this. So we actually buy these. I go out with the grocery bag, peel them off. There's fuzz all over the place. I can't get all the strings off of it, and it gets in your teeth, and it's almost painful. So here's the hack. So what I see online is they cut the bottom off and put it in the microwave for 4 minutes, and then bring it out, and it magically, I'm not buying it, magically just peels off with no tasseling. So no strings left behind. So that's the hack. I really think this is doubtful, but I'm willing to give it a shot. So it's going to go in the microwave 4 minutes, and we're going to come back and we're going to peel it off and see if it's true. I don't know. Vote down below if you think it's true before we do it. Yes, it'll work. No, it won't. We'll see. Okay, 4 minutes later, and I did cut this off. You should have reminded me before I took off. So it's a bit above the bottom of the cob. And I did bring a little salt and butter just in case it did work. I don't believe it's going to, but who am I to be a native Nelly? Okay, so what they showed is this pulled off magically. So I'm calling this bull crap so far. So let's try slicing it up a little higher. So I may have to go back and look at that video again. Looked at it 3 or 4 times. Right off, no. Oh my God. Son of a gun. So it needs to come up about a ½ inch from the base, maybe a little higher. So maybe 1 inch. So you're gonna lose a few rounds of corn, but let's see if it's actually cooked all the way. At 4 minutes, boy, that really saves some time boiling the water, keeps the flavor in the corn versus going into the water. This is hot. This is maybe not the brightest thing. 4 minutes, done perfectly. Wow. Sorry, Tanya. That process is confirmed. I will never boil corn again. That is so simple, so easy. Took 4 minutes versus 15 minutes for the water to come up, 15 minutes to boil. Take it out, dump the water. 4 minutes. I just saved a lot of time. I probably have corn all over my teeth too. So this is confirmed, it works. Do it. Just let me have a moment with my corn here. Okay, a bit of an update on the leg. It's healing really well. Called the urgency nurse, and I was doing everything that we're supposed to be doing. Got a little burn back here. Otherwise on the mend.